Just stand back. It'll be fine.
I mean, on the thing. This thing doesn't have earplugs.
It'll be fine. Alright, here's my new PX4 Storm Beretta, brand new gun. First clip in it today. First firing mechanism. Okay, go ahead and pause. Ready?
Yep.
Very, very nice. Let's get another clip. Recording. Pull the trigger. Go ahead, put your hand on it here. Grip it there. Okay, I'll grip it. Now put it up to your eyes. Okay, arms out straight. Strong. Okay, got it? You see where you're aiming? All right, go ahead and pull the trigger. You got it? Okay, here we go. Come on. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay, you ready? Now hang on. Ready? Here we go. All right. It's ready. Aim the hay bale. Nice job. What that? Got it? Aiming for the tree? Whenever. Go ahead. Go again. Okay, that's good.
Can I try?
Whenever. Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down. Keep going. Use them up. That's it. That's it. Whenever you see a red dot or red on a gun, that means fire.
Okay.
That means it's going to fire. Okay? See? There's no bullets in it, no clip. But the safety's off, so it's going to fire. So when I pull this hammer back, it makes it pull really easy, okay? So when I put this down, the safety's on. It won't shoot. All right? So what we're going to do, I'll put the clip in and I'll load a bullet. We'll cock it once. Okay? And then we'll put this up, so it's on fire, it's gonna shoot. I'll pull this back to make it easier for you. So I'll hold on. Okay, all right. Arms out, stiff and straight. Look through these two dots and that dot, and put it right on the target, and then you pull that trigger. Keep your hands away from it. Okay? Put your hand here. Keep your fingers, keep it below this line here. So you're good there. Okay, ready? Okay, and it'll kick and it'll be loud. All right, you ready? Put the safety on. It's on and live. Hang on. Okay. All right. Safety's on. Okay. It's gonna fire. Be very careful. Just one time. What'd you think? What'd you think?
It was good.
Dave, you want to feel safe, okay? This is the safety, so when we flip that up, red dot, fire, means it'll fire. So it's live, ready to go. There's no bullets. So it'll fire. When we put the safety on, nothing. Okay. This hammer hits that pin, and that pin punches a hole
I've seen the inside of a gun.
right here. Yeah, yeah, okay. And just always make sure that that's pointed not towards anyone. So you can feel it, but just keep it in a safe. Don't point it at your head or foot or anything else.
That's cool. Okay. Where's the clip?
But again, try to take the safety off. Let's try it. There you go. Okay. Now go ahead and try to pull this hammer back. There you go.
You did?
Yeah. Oh wow. Try to squeeze one without pulling the hammer back. Oh, good job. You're a lot stronger than I thought. Now I'm going to take you to the advanced level. Okay, put it in your hand here. Keep your finger there. This gun fits you almost perfectly. How about you pick one? And then this hand holds your other hand.
Like that.
Yeah, there you go. Good. Now, arms locked out. Hold like you mean it. Okay?
Spread your legs a little.
It's gonna kick.
Okay,
But you can, it won't pull you back. It'll just, here's what it'll do is just,
Okay.
it'll just do that. You want your arms straight, and you bring this side up, and you put this dot in between these two and on the tree.
Okay.
All right? Tell you what we're gonna do.
Going into the chamber?
It's in the chamber, it's ready to fire. All we gotta do is take the safety off. So, I'm gonna hold it here. Go ahead and take the safety off. There you go, it's on fire. And what you can do is pull the hammer back on this person. There you go. Okay. Ready? It'll pop. Now aim.
Hey, wait.
It'll pop. Oh, there you go. Ready?
No.
Careful, careful. Okay?